And right now, the American Red Cross is lending an extra set of hands and supplies to families impacted by those recent floods.
Joe Habersham tells us how the nonprofit is making a difference.
The American Red Cross assists families in nearly 65,000 disasters a year. And as of Tuesday, volunteers have provided emergency supplies to over 50 families recovering from severe weather.
16 inches of water.
The group providing emergency kits over at the J.B. Young Opportunity Center Tuesday in Davenport. Cleaning supplies like mops, gloves, buckets, trash bags, and disinfectants are all being given out, hoping to get families through some tough times. Rhea Oakes is a responder with the organization and says she understands the feeling of loss after a tree fell on her house and cars.
You move on, and now I'm trying to help them. I can't do anything about the cars, I can't do anything about the house, but I can help them. They're willing to come out and get some support, and we want to be there to support them. And it's just a good feeling. As you saw, some of the people, they just need a hug. You know, they want a few items and they want to feel better, and it just helps. It just helps them get through that better day.
The Red Cross will continue to offer supplies to those affected and keep its eye on future needs. In Davenport, Joe Habersham, WQAD News 8.
And if you didn't make it to today's giveaway and are in need of help, you are encouraged to reach out to the Red Cross through their 1-800-RED-CROSS phone line.